Alright friends, after this session we will dive into file operation in Python programming. Let's start with reading file. For doing this, let's define a file. I come my Python course. I say new and then file. My file name can be example.txt. You see, I am in the same directory with my Python file. Super. So I write something in my example.txt. What can I write? I write I love programming. Okay. In file operation, we have common modes. We use R for reading file. File must exist, otherwise it throws an error. So let's use it. I define a variable, for example, my file. So to work with a file, you first need to open it using open function. So I open inside my open function. What's my txt file? Example.txt. Since we are in same directory, I just write its name, you see. And then I'm writing its mode. What we need to do, what we want to read this file. So I write just R here. Okay, I need to read this file. So for reading, I have a method, read method. So I assign to a variable this value. And what's my variable name? My file. And then I use read method. And here we read the file and assign to this variable. Right now what I need to do, I need to just print it. So I just come here inside the print function. I run it, you see. I come here and right click, run it, you see. I love programming appears on the screen. I read it here. It holds I love programming. I assign it to the variable. I print it on the screen. It's so easy, right? It will work if we delete these also. If I run it, you will see I love programming. But we prefer to use this keyword. R means we will read this file. And if I write this file name wrongly, for example, I put 1E and then I run it, you see file not found error occurs. So file must exist for reading. Okay, super. See you in the next lesson.